Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to configure IEC 104 client. To know more about IEC 104 client, navigate to Process Manager window. Click on Process, Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon, search LT IEC 104 client. Click on Open. Click on Save and Close. Right-click on selected process and click on Restart the selected process. Now, navigate to IDE window. Go to System, Driver, IEC, IEC 104 client. Click on plus icon and enter the device name. Select Device field displays all created device. This function allows the user to select the desired device configured from Device Configuration screen. Create button is used to create a device. Remove button is used to remove the selected IEC 104 support device. Under Connection tab, IP address field is used to display IP address of the IEC 104 support device. This field is string type. Port field is used to configure port number of the IEC 104 support device. Common ASDU field is used to configure common ASDU, common address, of device. Redundant device field used to enable IP address and port number to add redundant IP and port of IEC 104 support device. Timesync button is used to send timesync request to device. GI button is used to send GI request to device. Group interrogation commands to obtaining data under all groups in server. CGI button is used to send counter GI request to device. Counter group interrogation commands to obtaining data under counter groups in server. GI at start field is used to send GI command at start of driver. State field is used to display connection state of the device. Under Advanced Setting, Message Settings and Auto Setting option is available. T0 timeout field is used to configure T1 timeout of the device, which is time out of send or test APDU. T1 timeout field is used to configure T2 timeout of the device, which is timeout for acknowledge in case of no data message, and T2 is less than T1. T2 timeout field is used to configure T3 timeout of the device, which is timeout for sending test frames in case of long idle state. K-buffer field is used to configure K-buffer of the device, which is maximum difference between receive sequence number to send state variable. W-buffer field is used to configure W-buffer of the device, which is last acknowledge after receiving W. W should not exceed 2/3 of K. Under Auto Settings tab, Timesync interval field is used to configure timesync interval of the device. The timesync command would be sent to device after the specified interval automatically. Command timeout field is used to configure T0 timeout of device. GI interval field is used to configure GI interval of the device. Based on value configured here, the GI request would be sent automatically. CGI interval field is used to configure counter GI interval of the device. Enabling/disabling the Enable checkbox will result in enabling/disabling of tag from list of tags available for communication. Save button is used to save all the details in tag database. Exit button will discard changes and close the screen. Open the tag editor using shortcut Ctrl+T. Select the desired tag from user's tag list. Right-click on selected tag, choose Insert Config, then choose Channel Setting and then select Driver Type as IEC 104 from drop-down. Navigate to Channel Settings. Channel identification displays device name dot. Type ID dot. IOA. Driver instance field is used to enter driver number of the IEC 104 support device. Device field displays all created device. This function allows the user to select the desired device configured from device configuration screen. IOA, that is information object address field, is used to enter address of the data to be read. Type ID field is displays all supported IEC 104 type IDs. This is a combo box field where user can select the type ID. Default value is single point information. Telegram direction field is used to display direction of communication. Default value is read. There are two types of direction, read and write. Mode field is used to display mode of communication. Default value is unsolicited. Enabling disabling the enable checkbox will result in enabling disabling of tag from list of tags available for communication. Save button is used to save all the details in tag database. Exit button will discard changes and close the screen.
Thank you for watching.